Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, this is the official channel of Lightway Research and Technology Center. In this video, I will walk you through running descriptive statistics in Stata. So whether you are just getting started with data analysis or you are brushing up on your stat skills, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is to launch your Stata. I have my Stata launched. Then after that, you import your data. So you can make use of the menu option to import your data or the command window. If you want to make use of the command window, you type the command import. Then you go to wherever you have your data saved. This is the one I want to use. You right click, you copy as parts, then you come back to Stata, then you paste, then you add first row, so that Stata will recognize the first row as the names of the variables. So you press enter. Okay, this code is import Excel. I did not put Excel here. Import Excel, enter. So now I've successfully imported the data sets. I have the data here, and these are the variables. So I have how many variables? 3 variables. This one is here. So now to do descriptive analysis, you can also make use of the menus here. Also, you can make use of your command window. So let's start with the menu. To use the menu, you go to statistics, then summaries, tables, then you select summary and descriptive statistics, then you say summary statistics. So from here, all the variables, you tick all the variables. Once you do that, then you click submit. Okay, so this is the summary. You understand? This is the summary. We have the observation, we have the mean, we have the standard deviation, we have the minimum, and we have the maximum. But you may be interested in other information. Also, you may only be interested in just one variable. So if you are interested in one variable, you can just use summarize. Then what's the variable? Let's say MMR. So you type MMR, then you have the summary for MMR. You can see instead of all the variables combined like this, you have the summary for MMR. So if it is only MMR and URP, you just do that. Okay, then MMR and URP, you can see the observation is 52. We have the mean, we have the standard deviation, we have the minimum, we have the maximum. If you want to learn more on the interpretation of descriptive statistics, please check our videos on descriptive statistics in eViews playlist. I did a very detailed explanation of all these statistics or these values. Another thing you can do is to obtain more information about these variables. You understand? For instance, if you want to check for all the variables, you need more information on all the variables. What you just need to do, or you want detailed information, what you just need to do is to say command, then you type detail. You understand? Detail. Then it gives you the percentile. You can see now you have the percentile, unlike the previous one where you only have the observation, the mean, the standard deviation. In this case now, you now have the mean for the entire data. If you look at this, mean is 113, that's 113. Standard deviation, you have it as well for MMR. But we now have more information like the percentile. You see, the percentile, we have the percentile, we have the largest, and all those information. Another thing that you may be interested in is having more information about the distribution of your data. Of course, skewness and kurtosis gives you that information, but you may be interested in the probability of these two values or these two tests. So what you just need to do in that case is to say sktest, then if I'm not wrong, sktest. Okay, sorry, this should be without details. Sktest, yes. That's the information. Sktest. Then you can see now that we have the joint probability value. This is the joint probability value. So from here, you can conclude that these variables are not normally distributed. Why? Because the probability, okay, this one is not normally distributed. Also, this one is less than 5%. So that's about descriptive statistics. In case you are interested in detailed explanation of the values, you can just consult our videos on descriptive statistics in the e-views playlist. We have done that in the past, so you can just go through it. The interpretation or discussion is not different from that of the results obtained using e-view, so there's nothing to worry about. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. So you have just learned how to run descriptive statistics in Stata using both the command window as well as the point and click interface, that is using statistics, then summary, that is point and click approach or the menu approach. So you can see that it is very simple. So if you find this particular video helpful, please I will appreciate it if you can give the video a thumb up. So you can also subscribe for more Stata tutorial, and if you have any question, please leave it in our comment section or in the comment section of this particular video, or if there's any suggestion, you can also drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching this particular video. I will see you in the next one.